Hi everyone, my name is Heather Mylan-Mains. Welcome to my course, Living in an IT Team as a Business Analyst. I am a business analyst consultant and a certified business analyst professional who is passionate about analysis. Organizations are full of people, and people work in teams. Each team has a context that members need to understand and adapt to. Business analysts that work in IT need to understand the team structure and how they will work and add value. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how organizations structure business analysis reporting, what is a system development lifecycle, common software development methodologies, how business analysis creates value in design, and collaborating with teams to implement solutions. By the end of this course, you will understand the context IT teams work in, what different software methodologies are, which analysis techniques are best for design and implementation, and how to collaborate with your team. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with what the business analyst profession is and what kinds of things you can do as a business analyst. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about working in an IT team with the Living in an IT Team as a Business Analyst course at Pluralsight.